Hi guys, I often get questions like this, so today we're diving into one important topic: passive income on pocket option. If you have ever wondered how to make money without constantly staring on chart, then this video is for you. Today I will explain how copy trading works and we will do even some live trading. Starting right away with down trades, so we have got a green signal on MAC and I'm entering the position. While this trade plays out, guys, let's talk about copy trading. Copy trading is an automated system where you copy the trades of successful traders. So one trader analyzes the market and opens trades, and the subscribed user automatically copy those trades. So if you were connected to my copy trading, this exact trade would have opened for you with the same entry and the same result, guys. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel where I share strategies and real copy trading results. Also, if you want transparent trades and entry breakdowns, subscribe to my Telegram channel. That's where the real action happens. Here's a perfect opportunity and I'm entering an up trade. The MAC gives us a clear and strong signal, so this trade should close in profit. Now let's go back to why copy trading is the best way to earn massive income on binary options. What are the alternatives? You can keep your money in a platform safe and earn interest, but the profits are minimal. You can invest in long-term trading, but that requires experience and knowledge. Or you can connect to professionals, copy their trades, and learn from real market moves. This is why, personally, I would choose copy trading. Okay, meanwhile, our second trade just closed in profit, guys. And now our third trade. We see a clear down trade on the chart and MAC confirms the continuation of the drop. I'm opening a down trade. While this trade runs, let's cover one more important point. Copy trading is perfect for beginners, but why? So, because you don't need to master complex indicators, you simply watch experienced traders copy their trades and learn from real examples. This gives you passive income and experience, a win-win situation if you ever decide to trade independently. Okay, while I was explaining all these, our trade just closed in profit, another successful win added to the list. Okay, as you can see, copy trading is an convenient and profitable tool, especially for those who want to make money but don't have time for market analysis. So the key is to choose right trader and manage your deposit wisely. Want to try it out? Then subscribe to my Telegram channel where I share detailed breakdowns, copy tradings, and live copy trading. So also drop a comment. Have you ever tried copy trading and what were your results? So thank you for watching. Hit the like button and see you in the next time.